This is Norb with HOA Managed. Topic we're going to be talking about quickly a little bit today is resale certificates. They're not required in every state. They are definitely a leading practice thing. A resale certificate, in case you're not aware of, is a document that you provide to the buyers, sellers of homes, condo units, property that it resides in your community association, homeowner association, property owners, very specifically telling what the current status is of that individual unit that may be up for sale, it's being transferred, and tells the buyers and the sellers if there's any delinquent funds, what are your current dues / assessments / fees, if there's anything that's coming up in the future, sharing of the financial statements of the organization, if there's any potential litigation. Sometimes they ask for insurance. Some states have larger requirements than other states, but even if your state doesn't require it to help the closing process, I really strongly suggest to use that. We have set up in my property management company and the association I'm a president of, and the other associations, we set up a resale certificate request form that goes out to the buyers, sellers, and the settlement companies need to go into access and provide us with information about who the current buyers are and who the sellers are, key contact information, date the transaction is going to be closing. As we know, that's kind of fluid, but that at least gives us a general idea. And one of the things we require at that point in time is acknowledgement that they review and read your rules and regulations, the bylaws, any deed restrictions, so they understand what they have in the future. And this is really, lately has come to strong aid for myself as property manager. We've had a lot of recent transactions that are happening because one of the couple of my condo associations are actually in a highly preferable school district area. Everyone's trying to move in here when things happen, and the buildings, these units are up for sale. They sell fast. So by providing this information, it's important to give that. And what just occurred to me as president of a very large association with over 300 plus homes, we just got a notification from a person that purchased it, even though they claimed that their attorneys had checked the box and the settlement companies had checked the boxes that the rules and regulations, covenants, restrictions, and bylaws were read. They claimed they had no idea they were even in an HOA. So that caused them angst and us angst, and we had to spend more time to do that. So, I think the bottom line is having stronger relationships in place with the settlement companies and the law firms that do most of the transactions in your metropolitan area from a leading practice perspective. But I also strongly encourage, even if your state doesn't require resale certificates, you should put one together with that basic information. And I hope you find this educational video good. This is based, once again, off my experiences as a property manager of condos, HOAs, as president of an association of over 300 units. In addition, also I do commercial property, strip centers, so I bring over that knowledge, and also as a consulting partner in my prior life, and I specialize in governance, risk, and compliance type issues and setting up this stuff up, so I try to bring that into play here as well. I hope you found this interesting. Please subscribe, like us. It's important. We're a brand new channel. We're trying to build a viewing and an audience, and we want to bring real life experiences to you. Have a great day.